Hello, I got this wrong, so I got this box again. I got I found this wrong. I got the Minotaur. Just the what I was hoping was on. Okay. Got like upgrades, scan down. So two gangs. I've got like some things on. So we've got. Hold on. So I got upgrades. Okay, so I'm going to using ranks, some yanks. Right, things. I got this alright, so I got some stuff on. So I think it's but I got the Minotaur. Let's see, we can't launch paints around. Now I see people like something too strong that they're gonna have to have like a guy like the brain that makes things some fragment going. So what is going on? This kind of sucks dropping like this thing had like was having okay, I don't know, so it was like it's kind of amazing pranks because they don't I don't know getting stuff stuffed. Content this one is not like okay, so I'm actually getting wrong. You can count like things like adding. Okay, so I got the axe. You can have the axe, but not the paint. Fracturing. Oh, so I got that thing again. But yeah, I got the victory. I got the axe. I don't know what it's inks. I kept getting the cartoon. I think it's like next time I looks like some cartoon falls. I don't want to do like lyrics. I was like do some things. So I'm gonna can't rank this outfit. And it does seem like this song like robotics, so and things are big song. And this thing's right, it's freaking banks. Got the banks. And it's like probably something the ranks. What correct ranks? It's like the casino. So you can scan the little bit. You have to get it with the bone. This song seems like a good folk song, like so you have to have like a paint. I don't know how tongues, but we can probably put something like over it. But I got some constraints stone, so I got using got siren using still program rings. Okay, so down. I guess this is like explain rings. I think put like links in the sites. You can't like take the links. But I think that's it. Yeah, I think it's like I can't like kick things. Well, I don't know what I'm gonna do this. I just can't take the scrap points. Alright, thanks. So yeah, I got next got like what's going on? I'm just gonna put the ranks and lightnings, so thanks. I'm saying that this rank, this game to rank, can't get the same, so I think that change like going. I think I kind of next game could. And this could be like things that by like events. I don't know. If you're wrong, like I kind of think Plus could be wrong against like if you can't really acting like things I don't like customs and the guns are right, but this is not. I feel like content gets this wrong. Ganks. It's not like could have done wrong. But I think this is like I feel like I can't I won't. That's right. But I don't like the extra like this can go. But, I don't know. I said, thanks for that thing. Thanks again. I don't get try this game to rank. I can't try to say. I get things games like you can to YouTube. And how straight you think over 16 like YouTube has. Traffic. And so kind of present to things like you get done and the brain so don't have got to certain grants. And you can get do so for that sense that can put into the time. So I'll get that thing and get that game. Goodbye for now.